Hello, this is the video for the MRP release highlight for the version 16.4. So today we will talk about different topics: the Analytic for MRP, manufacturing with barcode, manage BOM from MO and repair and inventory management. The last new feature, the new shop floor, will be explained in another video, especially dedicated for that new feature. So first of all, Analytic for MRP. We will see how it's possible to now add more than one Analytic account to a BOM of a manufacturing order, and how it's possible to split the cost between different projects. First, let's jump into a new database and imagine that we are manufacturing 3 new prototypes for robots. Okay, but on each robot we will use the same robot controller because it's quite expensive, and so we'll just create one robot controller that will be reused the 3 different prototypes. That means we want to create that robot controller, but we want to split the cost between the 3 different prototypes, and it's now possible on the miscellaneous tab to just add different analytic accounts on the analytic distribution. So I place 40% on the first prototype, 30 on the second one, and 30 on the prototype 3. And let's see the impact when we are creating a manufacturing order. So I just created this. I confirm, and I will produce all. Now we can see that the costs are divided between the 3 projects and that are taking on the analytic distribution. You could also, when you are creating a new manufacturing order from scratch, not linked to a special BOM for a new product, up new product 2, you could add some component, and directly from there, change on the miscellaneous tab the analytic distribution between the different analytic accounts. Let's say, okay, prototype 1, type 2, for the 60. And one last thing, when you are created a new manufacturing order linked to a specific bill of material, let's take the robot controller again, you could overrule the analytic distribution that was previously defined on the BOM and say, okay, it's no longer for that one, but it's now 50-50 in the 2 first prototype. Second topic is the manufacturing with barcode. So we will see how it's now possible to directly from the Barcode app launch a manufacturing order, register component, and manage the scrap and the byproduct. So imagine that we'll take the robot controller again. But I want to create a robot controller, and I will also add one operation linked to it at 60 minutes. I confirm it, and let's see now what is happening on the Barcode app. When you are using the Barcode app, I obviously show you on the barcode scanning screen, but all the operations that I will perform are also possible to do with a USB scanner or a classic scanning. So that means all the operation has their own barcode, and so it's possible by just scanning operations, scanning manufacturing order, registered component, and so on, to manage everything with a simple USB scanner. So from that screen, like all the other operation from the barcode scanning, if you are scanning a manufacturing order, you are going directly to that specific manufacturing order, and if you are scanning the operation of manufacturing order, you will create a new one from scratch. So when I'm going to the manufacturing operation, we will see that all the confirm and ready to start predefined with filter above, and my robot controller that I just created is now there. From there, like for all other operation in the Barcode app, if I scan the barcode of the robot controller, everything will be scanned at once. If I scan electronic components, only that one will be scanned directly. Okay, same here. If I scan the robot controller, everything is now scanned and I can produce it. From that screen, we could also add some components or register by product by clicking on those two buttons. And if you are clicking on the little wheel above, we have also the possibility to scrap the manufacturing order, to cancel it, and also to print the production order or the finished product label. What is important to notice is that if I produce everything, okay, we will see that on the manufacturing, for the operation, I'll take my robot controller, the expected duration is placed automatically as the real duration. So what we place before confirming the manufacturing order will be automatically displayed as the real duration. The next topic is the creation BOM directly from manufacturing order. So it's not possible to create the BOM by creating first a manufacturing order and manage update by updating existing BOM from the manufacturing order. So if we are going back to the manufacturing, imagine I will first launch a new manufacturing order and you want to create a new prototype. So you don't know yet what will be the bill of material of that prototype. So we will just create the prototype and you will add some components when you are designing and creating it. At the end, you are happy with the bill of material. Okay, so you say, okay, that one will be the bill of material from that specific prototype. So directly from that button, you could generate a BOM. Then you could just check if it's still correct, adapt it, make some operation. I will place some quantity on it. And you can just save it. Automatically, the reference will be new BOM from the manufacturing order that we created before. So now, if I'm going to the bill of material from our prototype, I have a bill of material that is created. Second thing is also, imagine I'm create a first robot controller based on my bill of material. Okay, confirm, and I will create another one, robot controller for the same bill of material. Okay, imagine that I create an ECO for that specific manufacturing order to review the BOM, because I think that, okay, it's not correct. I start the revision. Okay, progress, and I will add simple pen on it. Okay, up, validated, apply change. So we see that we just had a simple pen, and it's now effective. Okay, perfect. When I will go on my other manufacturing order, you will see that now we have the new button update BOM, okay, based on the new BOM that we just created through the ECO from the other manufacturing order. So yeah, updated, I will have the simple pen added to that specific manufacturing order. And the last topic is about the repair and inventory management. So we will see how the repair module has been revamped to easily manage component and also link the repair easily to the sales order. So let's jump back to the database. Imagine I will first create two Reaper services. One that I will use when the product is under warranty, okay? And I will say that, okay, I want to create a Reaper when I add it to a specific quotation or sales order, okay? The second one is just a Reaper service that will not create a Reaper, but with a sales price because it's when it's not under warranty. Let's imagine that we first sell a product to one of our clients. Okay, I have fan robots. And I sell one robot to that person. It's quite expensive. Confirm it. And I deliver it. I will take and I will validate it, right? But after a few months, that fan robot says, okay, it's not working anymore. I want to return it to be able to have a new one or to repair it, okay? So it will return that robot. And what we can do is create a sales order for that person where we will manage the product because it's still under warranty. Robots. And so I will add my repair service under warranty. Okay. And when I will confirm it, I will have directly a repair that is created. In that repair, I will have the customer that is already pre-filled, and I can add that I will repair that robot that is coming from that return. And from there, I can add some product screw and whiteboard. And we see that those will be added to the sales order. Okay. If I take the under warranty, all the product added to the sales order will be placed at 0 and will not be invoiced. Okay. If I do a check and I say, okay, the client said this was under warranty, but it effectively is not, and I uncheck it, you will see that all the costs will be added to the sales order. A second thing with the Reaper is if a client is coming and say, okay, I want to have like a quotation for the specific Reaper, you can directly create a Reaper for specific quotation for Anita Oliver. So, okay, she want to have robot Reaper. And I will add some components on it. And from there, I will create a quotation. With that quotation, I will also add another product that is my Reaper service because I will charge also my Reaper service, but I will have all the costs that are taken into account, and from the Reaper I can create a quotation directly linked to the Reaper. Another new functionality in the Reaper module is the fact that we have now a direct link between the needs on the Reaper and the replenishment. That means if I have to repair my robots, and for that I need specific components, I will say the robot controller of the last version, see that I don't have it in stock, and as soon as I will confirm my repair, I will have on my replenishment, based on my reordering rule, the replenishment need that is triggered for that specific robot controller. Okay, a second thing, and the last thing, is the fact that we have now a third possibility in the type of the product that we will add, remove, or also recycle. So it will be, for that one, I had a robot controller, so we will see that on the replenishment, but I could also remove the first part of my old robot controller, okay, that one that I want to remove, and I will have a third option that is recycle the second part of my old version. Okay, that means we will see in the product move that that part will be added to the final product, taken from the stock and added to the production location. That one is a remove operation, so it will be directly placed on the scrap location, and the recycle will place that part directly back into stock. So I start repair and I hand it. We will see now on the product move that we have the robot repair that is going from stock to stock. The second part, that recycling part, is from virtual location production back in stock. The remove part is going to the scrap location, and the add part is going from stock to the virtual location production.